All right, in this explainer, we're breaking down a system that honestly sounds a little too good to be true. We're talking about building a real affiliate marketing business using only free AI tools. The big promise? You can start with absolutely $0. Let's see if that really holds up.
So this is the big question, right? Can you actually build something that makes you money without spending a single dime? I mean, it's a super bold claim, especially when you're talking about online business. So today, we're going to put that claim to the test. And the answer? It's a big yes. But, it's not magic. It's a system, a repeatable system. So let's walk through the entire AI-powered engine that actually makes this possible, starting with your toolkit.
Okay, let's get into the good stuff. Forget about trying to learn 10 different complicated apps. The heart of this $0 system is a really simple but powerful toolkit. We're seriously talking about the only 3 tools you're going to need to get started, like today.
And here they are. This is your entire starter pack. You've got ChatGPT for all your scripts, you've got Canva for your thumbnails, and you've got CapCut for your video editing and even your AI voiceovers. Now, the most important part here, look at that cost column. Free, free, free. This is the holy trinity of your new business, and it won't cost you a penny.
All right, so you've got the tools. Awesome. But how do you actually, put them together to make something? So let's break down this super simple 4-step process that'll take you from just an idea to a finished video that's ready to upload.
And here's the whole workflow right here on one screen. It's just 4 simple stages: script, video, thumbnail, and upload. Seeing it all laid out like this, it feels way less intimidating, doesn't it? We're going to go through each one step by step.
First up, step 1, the script. Now, this used to be the hardest part for so many people, that blank page staring back at you. But with AI, you can get a solid script done in, literally, seconds.
And you don't need to be some kind of prompt engineer to do it either. You can literally just copy and paste this exact phrase into ChatGPT. Write a 30-second YouTube short script reviewing your product name with a strong hook and a call to action. Boom, that's it. Your script is basically done.
Okay, so you've got your script in hand. Let's move on to step 2, putting together your video. We're going to use CapCut for this, and its AI features are exactly what makes this whole process so incredibly easy, even for total beginners.
So what does this actually look like? Well, you'll start a new project, you'll drop in a few product images or short clips. You can usually just grab these from the product's own website. Then you paste your script in as text, and here's the magic part. You use the auto captions feature for subtitles and the AI voice for narration. CapCut literally makes the subtitles and narrates the video for you. Add some background music, hit export, and you're done.
We are in the home stretch now. Let's just bundle these last 2 steps together, the thumbnail and the upload, because it really shows you just how fast you can get this all finished.
Over in Canva, just find a YouTube thumbnail template. The key here is simple: a big, clear picture of the product and some bold, easy-to-read text. Then you jump over to YouTube, upload your video, give it a good title, and this is the most important part for actually making money, you put your affiliate link right at the very top of the description. That link is your cash register.
Now, once you get that basic workflow down and you're feeling comfortable, you can kick things up a notch. So let's talk about the pro move for automating your workflow so you can create content even faster.
The key to all this automation is something called CapCut templates. Just think of them as pre-made video edits. They already have all the cool cuts, the effects, the music, it's all timed out. All you have to do is drop in your own photos or video clips and it just does the rest. It's kind of incredible.
And this is why it's such a game changer. When you use templates, you can crank out multiple videos in the same amount of time it used to take you to make just one. This is how you really start to scale things up and see real results.
Okay, so we've covered the tools, we've covered the tactics, but I want to shift gears for a second because the real secret to actually succeeding with this stuff, it's not about the apps you use.
And this right here is the most important truth in this whole explainer. No AI tool, I don't care how fancy it is a magic money button. The tools don't find the opportunities for you, you do. They just help you get your strategy done much, much faster.
So what really gets you results? It's all the fundamentals. It's posting consistently, every day if you can. It's focusing on a clear niche, like beauty tools or kitchen gadgets. It's grabbing attention with a strong hook in the first 3 seconds. And of course, it's choosing good products that people actually want to buy. The AI is just your accelerator. It's not the steering wheel.
And really, it all boils down to this one core idea.
Consistency is always greater than perfect editing. It is so much better to post a good enough video every single day than it is to post one perfect video once a month. Volume and consistency, that's what the algorithms reward, and that's what your audience responds to.
So there you have it. You have the tools, you have the workflow, and you have the real strategy behind it all. Everything you need to get started for $0. The only thing left to do is, well, do it. So think of this as your 30-day challenge, starting right now. The only question left is, what are you going to create?